It was a bright Saturday morning. The sun was shining, birds were singing, and 10-year-old Hamza woke up feeling excited. Today, he wanted to ride his favorite blue bicycle around the neighborhood with his friends. After finishing breakfast, Hamza ran outside, smiling happily. He grabbed his bicycle and pushed it toward the gate. But after only a few steps, he noticed something was wrong. "Oh no!" Hamza cried. The back tire was completely flat, and the chain had fallen off. The bicycle would not move at all. Hamza felt very sad. He had been waiting all week for this ride. His friends were already gathering outside, laughing and ringing their bicycle bells. He slowly walked back inside the house. His father looked up from reading the newspaper. "What happened, Hamza?" he asked kindly. "My bicycle is broken," Hamza replied sadly. "The tire is flat, and the chain came off. I don't think I can ride today." His father smiled gently. "Don't worry," he said. "Every problem has a solution. Let's fix it together." Hamza's face brightened. "Really?" "Of course," father answered. Together, they went to the small storage room where father kept his toolbox. It was filled with screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, a bicycle pump, and other useful tools. Father placed everything neatly on the ground. "The first rule," father explained, "is to keep our tools organized. That makes every repair easier." Hamza nodded carefully. First, they turned the bicycle upside down so it rested safely on its seat and handlebars. Father spun the back wheel. "See," he said. "The tire has no air." He showed Hamza how to remove the cap from the air valve. Then he connected the bicycle pump. "Would you like to pump the air?" father asked. "Yes," Hamza replied excitedly. He pushed the pump handle up and down again and again. 1.3. Soon, the tire became firm. Hamza touched it happily. "It feels strong now." Father smiled. "Good job. But we're not finished yet." Next, they looked at the chain. It had slipped off the gears because it had become loose. Father carefully lifted the chain and placed it back onto the gear. "Now slowly turn the pedals," he said. Hamza turned the pedals gently. The chain moved smoothly around the gears. "Works!" Hamza shouted. Father laughed. "Almost." He added a few drops of oil to the chain. The oil helps the chain move quietly and smoothly. After wiping away the extra oil with a clean cloth, father checked the brakes. He squeezed the brake handles. The brakes are too loose. Using a small wrench, he tightened the brake cable little by little. Then he asked Hamza to squeeze the handles. They feel much better. Hamza said, exactly. Strong brakes keep us safe. Next, father checked each nut and bolt on the bicycle. He explained that riding on loose parts could be dangerous. Hamza watched every step carefully, realized that fixing something required patience. Finally, father cleaned the bicycle with a soft cloth. The blue paint began to shine again. It looks almost new, Hamza said. With excitement, father smiled. When we take care of our things, they last much longer. Hamza nodded. I'll clean my bicycle every week. Father smiled proudly. That's a good habit. Just then, Hamza's younger sister, Isa, came outside. Wow, she said. The bicycle looks beautiful. Hamza grinned. My father and I repaired it together. Isa clapped happily. You two make a great team, father laughed. Teamwork makes difficult jobs much easier. Before riding away, father reminded Hamza about bicycle safety. Always wear your helmet, Hamza. Put it on. Check your brakes before every ride. I will ride slowly near people, I promise, and always follow traffic rules. Yes, father. Hamza thanked his father with a warm hug. Thank you for teaching me, not just fixing my bicycle. Father smiled warmly. One day, you'll fix it yourself. Hamza felt proud. Soon, he rode outside to meet his friends. Your bicycle looks amazing, one friend said. Did you get a new one? Hamza smiled proudly. No. My father taught me how to repair it. His friends were impressed. Can you teach us too? They asked. Sure, Hamza replied happily. Later that afternoon, one of his friends discovered that his bicycle bell had become loose.